got to do some work the other day installing this.
Ta-da!
Welcome to another video with me, Chris Silverman. I'm Chris Silverman, obviously.
I got a haircut. I didn't really cut the beard off though. Just want to groom it, see what I can do with it. Check out this Jeep though. I mean, beautiful. So today I'm actually going to be extending some stair steps. I have a customer who's going to be having knee surgery. I think she's going to have a replacement. Nothing I wish on anybody. I had a good friend, a contracting friend who employed me many years ago. We did a bunch of remodeling and he had a knee replacement. Dude never sat still. I swear he never sat still. He never stopped going. So I'm going to be doing this today, and let me show you my process. Got my big bucket of tools. I'm gonna go ahead and take this thing off now and basically redo the whole thing. Let's do it. Can you tell? Can you tell which knee that I sit on all the time? Dang. That's a lot of hair in there. All right, I got this thing torn off. I'm gonna basically start from scratch. And what she wants is a 3-step ordeal here. So step number 2 is gonna go as high as this one. This one's gonna be considered the 3rd step. And she wants them to be probably about this high, and then the next one this high. Let's do it real quick. Okay, so the first thing I did here was I measured from the floor to the threshold, which is 13 and 7, 13, 6, 13 something. Well, then I divided it by 3, which came out to 4 3/4. So 4 3/4 from the floor to the top of this first step, and then 4 3/4 from here to here. 4 3/4 from here to here. So it divided out evenly. Now, what the customer wanted was for there to be 3 steps for this purpose.
It was a really cool project, and I think the best part of the project is knowing that I'm helping them. I just feel really satisfied about doing this little deck step thing. So they had the garage concrete slanted going out into the driveway. So I actually had to take the right side of the steps and slant it so that I had to do that to the framing. I feel really proud about it. I would say that's the best project this week. Another project I did that I'm really proud of is this mailbox. Check this out.
Okay, so I just realized they want me to paint this. Look how beautiful this wood is. Look how white this paint is. What do you guys think? Paint it or stain it? Tell me in the comments. Let's talk about it. I think it should be stained. I think this is a beautiful piece of wood. I mean, look at all the detail on this thing. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. It's what the customer wants. It's what the customer's gonna get, opinion aside. So let's do it. Man, just as soon as I started putting it on there, I just feel like I'm in trouble. Like I did something wrong. All right, well, I got it painted up and the customer is very happy with it. Apparently someone had hit their mailbox. It was a hit and run. They hit it, well, it was a hit and drive. They hit it and drove away. But got the numbers on there and they're a little older. I had a little bit of trouble with them getting them off. I told the customer about them being older and they were actually surprised that I was able to actually re-salvage them. So, happy. Well, that's it for this week.